Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. I'm in this village which is so beautiful and I'm at my farm. And guys, I just want to show you things that I'm having here, the two houses and the well that I'm having. So right here where I'm standing, I'm having a well. You can see this is a well and I need to clean all this area so that I can be getting water from this well. And let me just say there is a lot of work that is supposed to be done here. A lot of work. You can see all this area need to be slashed, and we've got the first house here. This is our first house. So this is our first house. I bought this land and I was told they're having two village houses, and these are ones. So you can see inside. There is a lot of work needs to be done here. You can see in here, even the trees, they've started germinating. You can see nobody has been staying in this house. You can see. So this is it, and you can see all this starting from somewhere up there is a big tree there. I wish I can show you until this side. So there is even a toilet here. Let me show you. These are roofing sheets. The person who was selling me this lot told me to say there was a house of roofing sheets. Now he doesn't know if they store. And you can see this is the toilet, a Petra Trine. You can see Petra Trine. This is it. And this is the area. This is my banana there. And I'm having one mango tree, two mango trees there. Even this one tree. And second house here, you can see this is my second house. And you can see the yard. This is the yard, and you can see that the house needs to be renovated. You see, take a look at it. Needs to control everything. You can see this is I think this is a kitchen. It's a kitchen where you light up fire. There's even a cooking stick here. Yeah, this is a cooking stick. Yeah, you can see it's a cooking stick. See, and this is it. Let me just even remove this so that we can have fresh air. And remove this. see, this is our another room. The room you can see. Now this house leaks. It leaks. So it needs proper maintenance. You can see this is another room again. And this is another one. Seems like somebody was sleeping here. And I think this will be the main room for the night. You can see. So you see the good part of this area. It's we are in the road. We are in the road. And there's another house there. This is the road. This is the main road. So guys, I'm going to show you a lot of things on my yacht and the activities that I'm going to be doing at the plot at this farm. There's a lot of things that I need to do, and I just pray that God helps me, God strengthens me, because it is not easy. This is a brave move that I've taken. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is now we mean business. So guys, you can see now I'm going to do something at the plot. I want to maybe to clean one or two things, even the room where I'm going to be sleeping, you know. But where I'm coming from the elder of this area, and I went to discuss with him concerning the area, and I wanted him to know, to say, oh, in case if he is going to see someone there, then that is me. So you know, when you reach at the village, you reach at a certain village, you need to let know people of that area. So just like I've done. So this is my way to the house. So guys, this is my first day at the farm, and I'm doing some little things, like I'm slashing on the petra tree in that side, and I was cleaning the well. I was cleaning the well, and I was trying to check if the water is okay. I even bought a rope. Let me go and show you. I even bought a rope. So the door that I'm having there, the house where I'm going to be sleeping, in that house, doesn't have a door, and this one has got a door, you can see. So I'm going to remove this door and then I'm going to take it to that house. But let me show you the rope. The water which is here is not clean. I need to fetch more and more so that the water can be clean. You can see there's a road there, like I said. So I bought a rope. You can see this is a rope. This is a rope, and I covered this place with the, you can say covered this place with this what do they call this iron sheet, so you can see. So let me show you some other works that I've been doing. This is my hood, and it is going to help me light up the fire. It's going to help me light up the fire. So life in the village. Life in the village. So these are my firewoods. So I want to show you what I was doing this side. I was slashing this side because I want to clean. You can see this side. I was slashing. This is my slasher here. I was slashing so that I'm able to use the toilet so well. That chicken belongs for my neighbor. You can see I was cleaning the pit latrine, so I need to slash even this side. I need to slash this side so that this area can be well. You can see I slashed here in fear of the snakes, because this area is so thick. It is so thick. Now the yard is looking so perfect. The pit latrine is looking so awesome. You can see the other day when I come, the other day when God gives me power, I'm going to clear all that from that small house there, that village house. At least now somebody can get in without fear. You can see, so important. You know, changing the environment, it takes little by little. You cannot do everything at one time. No, you cannot do that. You can only change something or the yard little by little. You can hear the birds. So let's see. My main job now at this yard is to collect firewood. I'll be collecting firewood almost every day, every time when I see that I can use that firewood. You see, because here we don't use charcoal. We don't use charcoal. We can only use the firewood like this. So this is it, guys. You can see the progress. Something will be changing little by little. So this is the house where I'll be sleeping. So I need to care. You see, I need to slash this. See, I need to slash all this. I need to remove all these things here. See, and these are simple roads. You can see simple road goes into the farm there. A lot of glass here. See, guys, the transformation will be done. See it at I can see on top of the roof there. See, This house is not stable. See, it is not stable. Little by little, we need to change things little by little. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your love. Thank you for liking this video. May God bless you, and keep on watching my channel, because this channel is one of the beautiful channel, and this channel is all about talking about towns, villages, and I think I can now talk about off-grid living because I'm here, and I'll keep on traveling, showcasing places and different things. Also talking about the business if it really matters. So let's see how far we can go with this work that we are having at this place. I need this year, by the end of this year, we need to do something, like something need to change. I need to plant some maize. I need to plant a lot of things like okra, you know. So please guys, continue supporting this channel and continue liking the video. Thank you. I'm out.